Hello, welcome to the weather update. Or it's a little later. It's like a little after 10. You can thank Nice Bus for not showing up. But anyway, so I'm about 20 minutes later than I'd like to be. But anyway, we got plenty of clouds around today, stuck in the clouds, and some occasional drizzle and mist. And you can see some more rain waiting in the wings there for us. That will be might be affecting our area tonight. And severe weather again in Alabama and parts of Georgia. Very unusual to see this again at this time of the year. Let's see how much lightning there is with this, because there is some lightning. Look at this. A lot of lightning. I'll remind you, it is December 29th. Not supposed to be so much lightning at this time of the year, but again, got much warmer than normal conditions out there. That's what it causes. And looking at the weather and hazards map, you can see we have we have a severe thunderstorm watch in effect for this area, some severe thunderstorm warnings, and it looks like a tornado warning has been issued here. Yeah, well, this says tornado watch. I'm clicking on it. It doesn't say tornado warning. But you can see, looking at the temperature, it's 72 with a dew point of 68. That is extremely warm for this time of year. Temperatures in the mid-70s. Throw in these dew points. It's warm and it's humid in the southeast. But looking at our area, generally today we were in the mid-40s, which is where we are right now. 43 at Islip, pretty much 46 at West Hampton. A little damp out there, too, throwing the dew points. They're not too far from the air temperatures, which is why we have some fog and mist out there. Looking at New Jersey, also in the mid-40s there, 45 in Toms River. Let's look at our highs and the amount of precipitation that we got today. Our highs were definitely above normal once again for the day. 45 at Islip, 45, so generally 45 around Long Island. A little bit warmer in New Jersey, where it looks like they got close to 49, or really close to 50 in Toms River. Not surprisingly, if they had to deal with the warmer air. Let's take a look and see how much precipitation we got. We'll go all the way back to midnight. And we'll see how much rain we got. Not all that much. Yeah, just some areas got a little more than others, but generally not a whole lot of rain out there. Some areas got close to 0.40, but other than that, not a whole lot of rain out there as well. Looking at what we got coming over, so there's that dreaded Atlantic Ridge, and another wave coming along this stall frontal boundary, and we're going to get glanced by some rain tomorrow morning. Then we get a break, and then we have a break on Friday before more rain moves into the picture for Saturday. Right now, it seems like it's a little less aggressive with the rain on Saturday now, and it's bringing more of the rain in on Sunday, perhaps. You can see a number of waves along this front that are going to pass, and now it looks like it's forming coastal storm now. For Monday, maybe finally get some snow on the ground. Haven't had any. Some before. A little later, but let's get through the short range first. So here we are for tonight. You can see that some of that light rain brushing our area probably won't amount to very much, but there's still a chance of a shower. It even has it lingering a little bit in the afternoon, so there could be a chance of a shower at any time tomorrow. And like I said, it's going to linger into the first part of Friday, and then we try to dry it out Friday, but it's even trying to pop some stuff up Friday, too. Let's look at the total amount of rainfall. Not a whole lot of rain. Maybe if you're more towards New Jersey, you might get a half an inch, but for most of us, through Friday night, let's go look at the temperatures. So here we are for temperatures, and for Thursday, it's going to be warmer than today. We're probably going to get in the mid to upper 40s. And then for tomorrow night, very weak winds tomorrow, so it's very light and variable, maybe a light easterly wind. Dew points stay up there, though, so that's going to keep the clouds and the chance for fog, drizzle, and light rain around. And you can see, look at that, Friday. It's a little damp out there. So, yeah, this isn't dry air at all that we're dealing with. So let's go a little further along here. And, I mean, I can look at the sky, which we'll look at here. Mostly cloudy day, obviously Saturday. So we've gone quite a few days without seeing much sunshine at all, and it's just been absolutely miserable. It's getting me pretty depressed, and if you can tell in my voice, I'm pretty down. Between that and all the other misery that I got to deal with here in the middle of the island, it kind of sucks. So let's go to the GFS next, and let's look at our temperatures as we move this along to the weekend. And you'll notice that things warm up even more on your Saturday. Still see we're in the 50s. We're going to have like 3 straight days we're going to be in the 50s. Sunday is the day that could get ridiculously warm, especially in Jersey, where you could be in the 60s. Long Island might be in the 50s. But then this cold front moves through, and a low forms along it. We may get snow at the tail end there. And it's even colder now for Monday. It's keeping us all below freezing for highs on Monday. That would be absolutely awesome. So we're going to get a nice cold day on Monday. But you can see Tuesday, we're already moderating. It's upper 30s, around 40 by Wednesday. And you can see already it starts warming up again ahead of the next cold front. But then behind that cold front, more cold air enters the picture. So we are going to get some cold air. You got to hang on. And we might even get some snow. So let's go look at that precipitation thing, because that's really interesting. I'll have to look to see if one of the models. Now, in the long range, you can see your first Saturday, it doesn't really look all that wet now. It looks like the more steadier, heavier rain is going to come later Saturday night, overnight into Sunday. On the small front, and then your next wave comes in Saturday night into Sunday into Monday now, so it's actually bringing it more overnight, and you can see it's got rain, but look at how close that rain snow line is. So there you go. So that's so overnight into early Monday morning. There could be a little bit of. Let's see how much snow. Obviously, this is a ways away, but let's see. It's not really bringing all that much, but it could bring maybe an inch to Long Island. But if you're in Jersey, if you're in like western central Jersey, north of the city, maybe you can pick up maybe 2 or 3 inches out of this. So we'll have to see what happens with that. But either way, it's going to be cold behind that cold front. And then we clear it out Monday, and that would be that's really our next chance for Sunday. Later, sunshine Monday and perhaps Tuesday. But that's it. Those are your only days that you're going to get sunshine in the next week. It's just such a crappy pattern to be in, But anyway, I think that's going to wrap up this weather update. Take care, and thanks for watching.